Recording. Did you stop and start that?
Recording. No, I didn't. Alright, you ready?
I'm ready. Hello?
Oh. Right, let's do
I'm
this.
ready.
Yay!
Right. Who's gonna get the boxes? Oh, I see a double point.
Where do you think we are? This appears
Well.
to be some sort of creature habitat. We must have been collected when that drone
Oh,
was for the
no.
Balls.
Oh,
Yeah, I got loads.
Yeah, only
hey,
6,000.
you got hit too.
Yeah, I know.
Sam.
I know.
Yeah.
I walked into mine.
Oops.
Yeah, I walked into it. But yeah, James, 6,000 bolts is nothing. Later on, you'll be getting that within seconds without a double bolt. There's one part on the last level where there's a double point and there's a shit ton of boxes. You get the double points first, then get all the boxes. You'll get 100k bolts.
Whoa.
I mean, I did it yesterday to finish getting my million bolts. I did it with 3 other people, so I had a full lobby. And I think I got about 170k bolts just from that one area. Needless to say, I did steal the bolts from everyone, but, you know, beggars can't be choosers.
And you sure are a beggar.
Yeah. Yeah, I wanted my trophy, man.
Oh shit, I picked up on an enemy.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't want to do that, I wanted the boxes.
Okay, right. James, don't let go.
Okay.
Right, Chris, you have to hold triangle here. Right, Chris, let go. And James, let go when Chris does. Go on. Right, when I let go here, James, you let go after me. And then Chris, you let go after James. You have to press you have to press triangle though.
Oh,
Okay,
I can
right.
swing.
Chris, press triangle. Yep.
Ah.
This is going to be difficult later on when there's a lot consecutive we have to do.
Nah, we got this. We know what we're doing now.
Yeah, right.
Oh, it's going to be fun later on. I might just have to let you lot kill yourself so I could get us past the area.
What?
If you
What's
can't do consecutive swings like that, then yeah, we'll have a big problem later on.
Easy, it's only because you kept holding on. We don't know what to do otherwise.
Nah.
It goes to you.
Oh, man.
I left you a present on the charging station.
What about you?
The minions are on to me. I'll lose
James, why are you trying to suck someone up?
you at the south exit.
I like sucking.
Hey,
Raw.
there'll be kids watching these videos.
Yeah,
What, like sucking
Jay.
lollipops?
How is that better?
Alright, you ready? Right.
What the hell are you doing? What?
Go on, Chris. Go on, Chris. Go on.
Oh,
No,
one more.
wait. Go.
Can't run on it, wait forever.
Come on. There we go. Now it's my turn. There we go. Right.
Whoa.
Now it's me, then Chris, then James. Come on, Chris. Come on.
Whee!
Right, come on, James.
Where
Come
am I?
on. Come on. Come on. There we go.
I'm never gonna let go. You guys are trapped.
Let go. You're the one who's going to get all the
Oh my
boxes.
god! Go,
James, you just
goddammit.
ran past all these boxes.
I saw buses that. Fuck it. Move.
Uh,
What's here?
Chris, there's still boxes here.
Can I get these boxes, please?
So I broke them. Chris, press triangle quickly. When you're out of the screen for like 4 to 5 seconds, then it'll basically just kill you off instantly.
Yeah, you got a little timer.
Yeah.
That shit.
I like
Oh
how
my God,
I'm,
stop picking up enemies.
I like how I'm just running around with you guys doing absolutely nothing.
Whew.
I think there's something over here. Never mind.
There wasn't anything there.
James just runs along.
Something here though.
Yeah, a note. Screw it, no, that
Rudy.
won't. Does this say?
Turn your volume up a little.
Yeah.
Oops.
James, he just nailed you spot on right there.
Screw you.
Hey, it wasn't me who said it, it was the game.
Clank's right. For the sake of our own survival and for drama, we must set aside
And for drama.
and act as a single
Yeah.
unit.
Quark's basically the self-centered moron of the game. Basically a comic relief character.
Fair enough. For what operation?
Oh, this is just a tutorial for the Vacu.
Let's do this.
James, stand on the little panel.
Captain Quark, I require your assistance.
There we go.
Ratchet, can you help me?
Boxes!
Press L2 when you have control. And see how many total bolts you've got.
Oh, so it's L2.
Yeah, to see how many bolts you've got total. Okay, in fact, do it after. I want to get the skill point for getting rid of all these dead quick. Use your vacuum to pick them up and then chuck them in the thingy.
Easy. Okay, you guys.
Yeah,
slow.
I got it.
What?
The skill points. Gold stars for everyone. You guys should have got it
I
as
did that
well.
when I was on my own.
Yeah, I just didn't know about it the first time. And if you get all the skill points, you get the unlimited ammo cheat.
Ooh.
Which would be very nice for my Rhino. I mean, I won't have the unlimited ammo before you lot have got, well, before you two have got the plat though. So, I suppose there's really no point.
Yeah. As soon as I get the plat, I'm deleting it.
Flop. It's a very easy plat, to be honest, like all the other Ratchet and Clanks.
Yeah, because I don't know about those.
There's boxes over here.
It appears I am in the lead.
It appears I am in the lead.
Yeah.
Objective complete. Well done, minions.
Gotta get my
Easy.
thumbnail off, Rico.
Go forth and oppress the far points.
Why is my character looking in the air?
These creatures have been released
Okay.
from their
Can we all catch him?
These
Pardon?
pictures.
Well, it depends who's quickest to get them.
Also, it's...
You don't have to worry about it. There's no trophy related to them, and I've already got enough for every secret lab for the Rhino. So, it really does not matter.
your vacuums will store creatures.
Why can't they sprint?
You are sprinting. You see that little, like, yellow line, green line behind you, Chris? Blue line for you. That means
Yeah,
you're sprinting.
Yeah.
Right, Chris, you see that bolt? That's a hero bolt. You have
Yeah.
to use your vacuum to get them.
Okay.
They unlock character skins.
Yay.
I think I'm on like 30 of them. Yeah,
I have
33 I'm on. You're, James is on 2, Chris is on 1, I'm on 33. Chris is on 1 critter, James is on 14, I'm on 405. And,
Easy.
I'm not even going to talk about bolts because, well, I am miles ahead. Crap.
Come on, lads. Jump in.
Alright, fire me over. Alright, press triangle, guys.
I want to fire.
Lol.
What you do that for?
Don't worry, Chris. I stole all his bolts for it.
Oh, come on, man.
Fucking meanie.
I didn't do it on purpose. I just tried to quick shot.
Hop in.
Alright. Chris, jump in.
Oh, I almost had Jameson.
You can't do it when he's slinging towards you. Right, who's going to jump in the cannon?
James.
I will.
Go on then. There are certain enemies... Press square.
I did.
There are certain enemies we have to kill that way as well later on.
Objective complete. Well done, minions. Your vacuum
James, how far did you get on this level?
I completed it.
This level?
Yeah, it's level 1 still.
No, this level 2.
Oh, no, I got to where...
rechargeable
It's
nanotech
well, like right by the end, I think.
enhances your
Did you get outside of the area?
minions less.
Yeah.
Right.
Be sure to use
So
yeah.
you're basically on level 2 area 2 then.
a fellow minion.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll be doing the first secret lab in that area as well as the next trophy.
Come on.
By the
Oh.
way, the next trophy you guys will pretty much have to listen to me for, because we'd have to check pretty much every area for the exploding box locations. Right, James, don't